Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to apply for a small business loan on Twoguysfinance. Alright, it's going to be a really quick video. I'm not going to waste any time at all. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you want to do is to go to Twoguysfinance website, and once you're there, you're going to click on small business loans. And next, you're going to need to review the different small business loan options and choose the one that best suits your specific need. And then just click apply now, and you're going to need to fill out the online application form. Just provide required documentation, so that could be business financials as well as your tax returns. You're going to need to enter all that information, and once that's done, just review and agree to the small business loan terms and conditions. Make sure you read through that first before you go ahead and agree. So once that's done, you will receive a small business loan decision, and if your application is approved, you need to review that and sign the loan documents. Once that's done, you can close on your small business loan and receive the funds. Now you can also use Twoguysfinance to manage this small business loan payments. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to apply for a small business loan through Twoguysfinance. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys